just go back to sharing screen. So I'm going to give you some 2 killer websites. I'm not going to go through how to use them because we're running short on time. One of them is simply wall.street, and the other one is tip ranks. Enjoy. Say no more. If you use those 2 websites, you will definitely have got value for your money in this presentation. Oh yeah, you didn't pay for this presentation. So we've got to fake news. We've done a bit of market analysis. So next bit was charts, pullbacks we've done, indicators. Oh yeah, the NVIDIA stock split. So if you don't know what a stock split is, I'm predicting a stock split. Was predicting this on NVIDIA about a year ago. It's now officially going to happen as far as we're aware. But I'm also predicting a stock split on Coinbase when that gets to 1,200, and also a stock split on Amazon anytime soon, probably a 10-to-1 stock split. So this is just a quick explanation of how stock splits work. Last year, there was a stock split on Tesla and also a stock split on Apple. All it is to entice retail investors to get in a little bit more. That's all it is. It's just something that they do to kind of take more money from you. So what happens is pre-split, the NVIDIA's price is $605. So to most people, that would sound like it's expensive. Even though they can invest in fractionally, they'll be like, oh, 605, it's too expensive. I don't want to get it. Now, that would mean that if you had 10 shares of NVIDIA, that would be a value of 6,050. Now, if the stock split happened on a 4-to-1, for every share that you had, you would now get 4 shares. So if the share price then went down from 605 to 151, you would then have 40 shares at 151, giving you the same value of stock. So your value doesn't change. You just have more shares that can make more money. And it's easier for you to sell some shares or to take profit. That's the way that stock splits work. So again, expect to see some stock splits on Coinbase, NVIDIA, Amazon anytime soon. Cool. So that's that. And then final thing, I'm going to show you some magic. Shout out to Say No More podcast for the websites, and shout out to Mark Monroe for one of the other websites, and shout out to Crypto Chimp for teaching me and Ninja about the Nephew Sam stop hunt. So I'm going to do a bit of technical stuff here with you for 5 minutes, and just show you how this bad boy works. So the Nephew Sam is an incredible tool. Now, the way that it works, you just press Nephew Sam range box stop on. And what it does is it puts in all the levels where people have got the majority of people's stop losses are. So right there, if you were trading, you can kind of calculate, or even as an investor, you can calculate the best prices that you probably want to get in, and the wick, especially in crypto, because crypto is all about taking people's stop losses out, are most likely going to be at. Now, then if we do this on Bitcoin, it gets very, very funny. Look at these stop losses, and this helps you to really see where your support levels are. And if we look how accurate or how neat they are. So we've got one exactly, more or less, on the 25% range, and on this support line here. Look at that. That means multiple people have seen this exact same support line, and they had a stop loss there. But what happened? Their stop got taken out. Then there was more people, the majority of people had a stop loss here at the 25% dip mark. And then look what happened. They all got taken out. And the price actually went just below everyone's stop loss. So this is why this is a very useful tool. The stop hunts, Nephew Sam. Okie dokie. It's 9 o'clock. That is enough of my boring voice and my jibber jabbering. I'm going to hand over to Man Like Ninja
and he's going to talk about some.
Yo, just give me a sec. I'm literally getting in my house. I'll be ready in like 60 seconds.
All right, cool. So yeah, Ninja's gonna, by popular demand, I know a lot of people have been asking about swing trading, because we touched on it a little bit, but I know a lot of people are very, very interested in swing trading. It's not really my forte. I'm more of a day trader on stocks, but Ninja is all over that. So whilst we're waiting for Ninja, we'll just quickly go
I'll be a minute, guys. One second.
markets and some analysis that we've done here. So again, these are the key levels that we've marked off as potential buy points, and the potential supports. And then the red ones are take profit points. So this is where I'm predicting for the S&P to get to by 2023. What we're expecting to happen most likely is for the market to move up to around here, this resistance of 42434, then go up to around 4273, then from there go to 4321. Now once it gets to 4321, what I'm expecting from there is that's where the dip will come. So the dip will come in August, once it gets to 4321, and dip down to around here at 3852. Alternatively, if we have a crazy bull run, just which would make sense being as so much money has been taken from crypto, and if it gets pumped into the stock markets and then goes up to 46 to 1, then I'd expect that to come down to 41%. No, 4199. Sorry, I said percent. So whilst we're just waiting for Ninja, let's just take.
Yo, just got home.
Has anyone got any questions on anything or any stuff that they would like us to take a look at? We'll do a quick whiz on the technicals on it. Anyone? Let's just quickly check the chat. We've got one.
I'm just logging in with my computer.
Said go on. They were simply wall.street and there is actually a free version of tip ranks. You don't have to pay for it, but it is crazy, this website. Absolutely crazy. If you understand fundamentals, this website is insane, like completely insane. Let's just go. We'll go Old Trusty, the best bank in the world. Let's have a look at it. So it gives you the analyst price targets. Then if you've got the paid subscription, you can rank it by analysts, so their prices that they're predicting it to get to. It gives you the rating of the analysts, so 5-star analysts. It tells you how many trades and how many analyst corrections they've been accurate on in the paid version, that is, but you get the price otherwise. You get an overall stock analysis of where you think it's go to, whether it's a moderate buy, bullish, what the blogs are saying about it, what the technicals are saying about it, what the fundamentals are saying about it. All your key metrics and numbers are all there. Then you've also got bloggers, what major blogs are saying about it for both bullish and bearish cases. So it's very important. Anything you're investing in, you try and find all the negative things about it as well, so that you're not biased. And this website helps you do that. Then there's the insiders. So the insiders are the people inside the company. If they're buying, now if the price is dipped, but the insiders are buying it up, especially the 5-star investors, insiders inside that company, then that means something's happening that you don't know about. Then you got your news. The news is about Apple, if it's bullish or bearish. It's crazy, like this website. It just rips information from every website. Hedge funds, what they're doing. So it's just basically a lot of the key information that you need
in one thing. Anyone that's one of my students, we're going to be using this website quite heavily. Just been given to me. So cool. Over to you, Ninja.
Cool. If you could make the Fadlan that is got the mic off, the host, please, because that's my computer.
Fadlan with the mic off. Fadlan with the mic off.
Oh my God, 24. Is this?
Now we was at 25. We did hit all-time high.
Amazing, amazing, amazing.
Is it off? Is it? I've just done the unmute.
No. I don't need to be unmuted because I'm basically using my phone as the
Oh, you want to be a co-host on that one?
Yeah. Basically, guys, my phone is the audio and my computer is the camera because my computer mic broke.
Yo,
so,
it's been so peak. Yo, this laptop that I'm saying I'm buying every single week, it's actually getting peak. How am I meant to buy a laptop when there's a dip like that?
You can't.
Yeah.
So, right. So, time for some game. Can everybody see me? Why is this freezing?
I'm checking Elon's tweet now in regards to what Nick said.
Man, one sec. Sorry, my laptop's freezing right now. Ugh. Give me a second, guys.
No worries. We're all used to technology. No worries.
How annoying. Oh no. I think I've got to come out my laptop and come back in. No. Give me a second, guys. I'm sorry.
React to Elon's tweet. Make humanity a multi-planet species. If you'd like to help develop Doge, please submit your ideas to @GitHub. Spoke with North American Bitcoin miners. They're committed to publish current and planned renewable usage and miners to do so, potentially promising.
Sorry, Mr. Harding, can you let my computer back in?
Yep.
So today was the all-time high, yeah?
Yep.
Amazing. Oh my God, is my... Sorry. Okay, cool. Turn my camera on. Oh my God, we got my dad in here. You want to Fendi? That's my pops. Amazing. Okay, cool. Can everybody see and hear me loud and clear?
Yep.
Yeah. All right, fantastic. So I will be here to talk about swing trading. Now, what is swing trading? Swing trading, in my opinion, is the easiest form of a trade. Now, let's just define what trading is versus investing. Mr. Harding can give me his 2 cents on this, but just for the record, me personally, I see something as an investment if I'm going to hold it for at least 3 months. Mr. Harding, what would you say?
I'd say 1 year.
1 year, okay, fair enough. Differences of opinion, but yeah. The reason why is because a swing trade can take anything from 1 day to 1 month to execute. So everything I do in swing trading, I intend for it to close within a month, but the trade itself might last for 2 to 3 months, especially with the current state of the market. So trading, the intention is to buy and sell. Usually when people think trading, they think like day trading, trading within minutes, within half an hour, within a day, but nobody really thinks about trading, or not nobody really thinks, but I think the concept of swing trading, buying crypto low and selling it high, basically within 1 week or more, is highly underspoken about. There is insane potential in this bear market to swing trade. There is a lot of money to be made in swing trading, even in this bear market. So quite simply, swing trading is just buying low, selling high. Buying low, selling high. No leverage, no options, nothing too crazy. Buying low, selling high. And that's done with a mixture of, well, with swing trading, first of all, there's 3 intentions that I'd like to share. So everybody get a pen and pen. Everybody get a pad and pen. Pad and pen. Oh my God, I can't even talk. So a pad and pen. Okay. So remember, in investing and trading, mindset is 50% of the game. So when swing trading, I swing trade, and I teach this to all my students. Sorry, I can't talk today. 1 second. Oh my God. I've been running around all day. I was literally like out and about in London listening to this call, then I had to go underground. Anyway, 3 intentions for swing trading. Intention 1 is purely to make fiat profit. In fact, let me share my screen. Could you make me co-host, please?
Yes, sir.
It's a very exciting time because I will be sharing a lot of personal swing trades on the Blockchain Sensei Instagram. That does not mean you should just copy me. You should do your own research, but I would only share a swing trade that I'm extremely confident in. I'm still not the co-host, bro.
Here we go.
Okay, cool. Right, can everybody see my screen?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So 3 swing trade intentions. Okay, intention 1 is 100% fiat profit, e.g. turning £100 into £150. Intention 2 is 100% crypto profit, e.g. buying £100 worth of BTC at, let's say, 28,000, selling £100 worth of BTC per BTC, then selling £100 worth of BTC at, let's say, 35,000 per BTC, getting your initial investment back and taking the profit in crypto. And intention 3 is split fiat and crypto profits, e.g. buying 2 cryptos for, let's say, £50 each, waiting until they go to £100 each, then the 2 coins worth £200 collectively, sell 1.5 coins, £150, so £50 profit, £50 crypto asset.
Boom.
Does anybody understand or not understand these 3 intentions? Because I feel like they're quite easy to understand.
Go through them again anyway.
Okay. So remember, first of all, guys, the difference between investing and trading is investing is long-term and trading is short-term. So when people think of trading, they usually think of anything that's happening within 5 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, 1 day. I'm talking about a swing trade. A swing trade can typically last a week or more. Even 1 month or 2 month swing trade is viable as a trade. I personally define anything as 3 months plus investing. Mr. Harding says a year plus. Different schools of thoughts, but it's cool. Basically, so again, swing trading is just buying low, selling high. And remember, 50% of this game is mindset. So before teaching you the technicals, I want to teach you the mindset. You should go in a swing trade with 1 out of 3 mindsets. Mindset 1, and by mindset, I mean intention. Mindset / intention 1 is you are literally buying this crypto to sell all of it. So you are buying £100 worth of crypto to sell all of it. Now, I know Mr. Harding does teach that you should never sell all of an appreciating asset, but if you're only buying £100 worth, it's not like holding £1 of that thing, even if it 10x isn't going to change your life. So me personally, I don't like to leave what I like to call dust. Some people don't mind. Mr. Harding, do you mind having crypto dust? like where it's just like little bits of crypto. I hate that shit.
Yeah.
So I never.
I'm very big on crypto dust, actually.
Are you big on crypto dust? Okay,
Yeah.
there you go, guys. Keep your dust or don't keep your dust, right? So this trade would actually be against Mr. Harding's school of thought. Like he would be against you buying all of one asset to sell all of it. I'm pretty cool with anything, you know, under £200. I don't like keeping £1 or £2 of a crypto because even the 10x.
Can I give a metaphor?
Go on.
So the reason I let things gather dust is because the only other asset that I know that has dust is gold. If you collect enough gold dust, you can have a brick of gold.
You're right.
So like even if it's only £1, like you got to think £1 of gold isn't that much unless you amplify it by 20 years or 10 years.
Okay, you know what, right? Let's make a new one. Swing trading tension, 95% fiat profit. Yeah, there we go.
Yay!
Keep some dust, right? Keep some dust, right? There you go. Let's be keeping dust out here. So yeah, that's basically where you turn. I say bunny ears turn because it's an incorrect financial term to be turning £100 into 150. You don't turn. You just buy it. You buy something for £100 and then you sell it for 150. But yeah, that's the easiest intention. Intention number two is where you're swing trading to increase your portfolio. 100% crypto 100% crypto profit to increase your crypto portfolio. This is a hidden gem. Not many people talk about this. Right, so you can with swing trading, you can actually invest nothing into crypto in terms of fiat, get all your fiat back, and take home crypto profit. It's absolutely amazing. So this would be theoretically buying £100 worth of Bitcoin when say Bitcoin is at £28,000 per Bitcoin, and then selling £100 worth of Bitcoin when it's £35,000 per Bitcoin. So you literally invest £100, get £100 back, and have some free Bitcoin.
Mad.
Like, does anybody not understand that concept?
That is the maddest game that you've just dropped there, bro.
But please, like this is highly underspoken about, and I actually blame myself for not pushing swing trading enough.
Like,
so anyway,
it's actually mad what you've just said to people if they get it.
Yeah, I'm gonna show a bit of practical game in a second. And last but not least, split fiat crypto profits. And right now, let me tell you, this intention number 3 is basically I'm doing all my swing trades with intention number 3, and almost all the swing trades that I post now on Blockchain Sensei Instagram, with the swing trade calls, will be with this intention. So this is literally where you buy crypto, where you buy crypto cheap and you sell that crypto high, but you keep some of the crypto profit. So a basic example would be to buy 2 cryptos that are £50 each, that you well calculate are going to go to £100, as in they've been £150 before. So basic support and resistance dictates that if the fundamentals are good, it will go to at least £100. So for example, buying 2 cryptos for 50 each, wait until they're worth 100 each. So now these 2 cryptos are worth 200, then selling 1.5 coins. So you take home £150, making £50 profit, and keeping £50 of the crypto asset, 0.5 coins. So before going into something more, this is 50% of the game right now. This intentions is 50% of the game. Does anybody misunderstand what I mean with regards to intentions? Or does everybody get it? Can I get it from a few people? Because this is very important before I go into a practical.
Like, realistically also, guys, like this you should be paying for. Like this,
yeah, you should be paying for this.
Like this is actually a bit sly on our paid clients, because this is mad game, like what he's giving away here. Like, for those of you that execute on this and get this, he's basically showing you how to create free money and how to create free assets. Like,
and this is the bear market is literally the best time to swing trade. I've never been too bullish on talking about it, but now let me tell you why I'm really bullish about talking about it, because I'm swing trading more than I'm investing right now. So
makes sense, because you're doing this at the same time.
I'm loving it. Yeah, I'm loving it. So anyway, okay, so everybody, unless I'm going to assume everybody understands, because nobody is telling me they don't understand. So I'm going to assume everyone understands. Okay, so let me tell you some trade calls that I actually put out, and let's see if these trade calls are still valid now. So first of all, I shared swing trading is highly under talked about in crypto. There's nothing wrong with flipping $100 into 150 plus crypto profits. So this would technically be intention number 3. Little wins are good, not every day a hodl for life. Remember, you should have a few baskets. So one of them should be your long-term basket, where you're basically not touching that. I'm not selling my 5.3% Bitcoin and increasing. I'm not selling my 3 ETH and increasing. I just want more ETH, more Bitcoin, more Litecoin. I'm not selling, like I've got 7 Binance coins and 5 of them I'm not touching. I'm trying to get to 10. So you should have a long-term basket, and you should have a growth basket, where that'll be like a, a few altcoins like Theta and Uniswap. You should have you don't necessarily have to, but it's good once your portfolio is bigger to have like a high risk basket. I even have a small budget for meme coins. I'm not embarrassed to say. And then and then you should have
bro.
Sorry?
If it makes money, it makes sense.
It makes sense.
It makes sense. To do it. Like once you've got the skill set.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense to put a lot of money in extreme high risk, especially in the long term. The market will punish you. And I know a lot of people with high risk portfolios, they've been punished in this market. I know a lot of people that will not recover. Pardon me. A lot of people will not recover from this bear market because insane amount of their portfolios were in stupid coins. So that's just their fault. Unfortunately, which is why I always teach risk and reward management. And if you guys want to get into swing trading, you should have a swing trade budget. Now, let me tell you what my swing trade budget is. My swing trade budget is £500. So I personally use Coinbase Pro. You can use Coinbase Pro, or you can use Binance Pro. You can all use Kraken and KuCoin. It's all pretty much the same shit. It's just buy orders, sell orders, and I'm going to get into that in a second. But I personally have a £500 lot size, and I will put £25 to £100 swing trades on any coin that I feel is good, and then I basically take home profits either weekly or bi-weekly. So again, there is nothing wrong with turning £100 into 150. I think there's this consensus in crypto where, like, Mr. Harding, I'm sure you'd agree, where people are thinking, like, if it doesn't 5x, it's not worth it. I think it's ludicrous that you expect everything to 500%. Like, it's okay. It's okay to turn £100 into £130 and make £30. Like, that's basically your shopping. Swing trading pays for a lot of things in my life, including but not limited to my food shopping and my phone bill. So let's take 3 swing trades that I actually did myself. I bought 2 LTC at under 200 and set a sell order to sell 1 LTC at 400. So basically I basically bought 2 LTC for, I think, 190, if I'm not mistaken. So let's just see if this swing trade still applies. I'm really big on Litecoin, by the way. I said it before, I said it again. I want to get to a lot of
for my accountability, I need you to hold me accountable to buy some Litecoin by the end of this week.
Okay. For those who don't know, Litecoin is pretty much the second oldest crypto in the world. It's considered digital gold. It's historically followed Bitcoin's price up until very recently. It broke it. So if you look at, a good thing is to look at coin market cap in BTC as well as USD. So as you can see, historically, Litecoin has pretty much followed Bitcoin very, very well. Up until recent times, it has outperformed Bitcoin. So, so as you can see, Litecoin right now is under $200, which is great, $180. I'm extremely confident. I'm sure any reasonable person can be very confident that Litecoin will indeed hit 400 at some point. So Litecoin, its all-time high was $351. I personally predict Litecoin to go to over $1,000 by summer 2022, especially with the market cap only being 12 billion. For those that don't know, the price of a crypto is just the market cap, which is 12 billion at present, divided by circulating supply. So circulating supply of Litecoin is 66 billion with a total supply of 84 billion. The reason why they call Litecoin digital silver is because Bitcoin has 21 million and Litecoin has 84 million, so 4 times the supply. So what I did was I bought 2 Litecoin in recent times being 3 days ago. I forget the exact price that I bought it for. 3 days ago, it was, let's just say it was like 185 or something. But I have extreme confidence that Litecoin is going to get to 400. Now, let's say, for example, and this is not financial advice, you guys purchased Litecoin today. Say you bought 2 Litecoin. You don't need to set a sell order because it's pretty damn cheap. In my opinion, say if you bought 2 Litecoin right now for $360, and you just set a sell order to sell Litecoin, 1 Litecoin at 400. Well, when will the order execute? Well, I'm not going to do any TA right now, especially because my TA is not so great compared to Mr. Harding's. But I'm extremely confident Litecoin will get to 400 at some point. If you can part, let me give you a mad game, right? If you guys can part with your money and be patient for 2 to 3 months, you should, in theory, get a free Litecoin. A free Litecoin and $20 profit. Does that not sound like a good deal?
Mad.
That sounds like a good deal. Considering Litecoin is predicted to get to $1,000 plus by summer 2022, that's a lot of expert predictions, right? Even if it only gets to $500, you're basically getting an asset that is predicted to get to $1,000 for free. This is a crazy game right now. And it didn't take extreme TA to do it. Even if you set the sell order of Litecoin to $350 or $360, if you wanna follow support and resistance. Okay, so I'm being a little bit ambitious saying 400, but let's say you set the sell order at 350, right, or even 340. You can get 0.8 Litecoin for free if you wanna follow more, traditional support and resistance. I guess I've broken the rules a little bit by selling the sell order of 400, but I'm extremely bullish on Litecoin in terms of fundamentals. But if you want to follow TA, then set the sell order at say $340 because Litecoin has never been over $400. As you can see, the peak was 351. So if you want to follow strict TA, then you could in theory just set the sell order at 350. Or 340. So the next trades, I'm going to do 2 more trades. I actually posted these on Blockchain Sensei. I bought 40 OMG network coins for $5 each, so that cost me $200. And I set the sell order to sell 20 OMG network coins at $10 each, essentially getting my $200 back. I'll make a little bit because I bought it for under $5 each, but essentially getting 20 OMG coins for free. Now, I'll be honest with you, I love trading OMG. I do not actually know too much about the fundamentals. So if anybody here actually invests in OMG, let me know. I just kind of see it as a good GBP to crypto trading pair. So let's look at the past 7 days. So I was actually lucky enough to buy it at the dip here. This was around May the 19th. So I remember I purchased it for like $4.80. So something like $4.80. I purchased 40 OMG network coins costing me under $200. And then all I did was just set the sell order for $10. And the reason why I can be extremely sure about $10 is because the peak was basically 12. So I'm extremely sure it's going to get there. It has really great trading volumes, as you can see. We've had, what's that? 1 billion in the past 24 hours traded of OMG network coins. So this tells me the trading volume is very healthy. I like that the entire maximum supply and total supply are out, so the coin's not going to drop anytime soon in terms of value, at least by creators potentially releasing more of the circulating supply if they wanted to somehow cheat the blockchain and get loads of people to mine. It's got a really great watch list. So personally speaking, I love swing trading OMG. I don't actually invest in it though. So last but so as you can see, that trade is still pretty valid, under $5. Where will it drop? I'm pretty sure it can drop to $5 again. As you can see, the low is $4.11, the highest. This is it, Mr. Harding. Do you not see that as extremely volatile? Look at that. That's a great thing to trade, is it not?
Yeah.
That's extreme volatility. Like, guys, if you can literally catch OMG.
Oh, your audio just went. Your audio went, bro. Yo, your audio went.
Yo. Can you guys hear me?
No, there you go. You're back, but you're just really quiet.
Shit. Okay. What I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to come out and come back in. Sorry about that. Somebody calls me, like, just mix the audio. Yes, let me just come out and come back in. One sec, guys. Yo, I'm back.
It's back.
Okay, cool. So let me just make a quick call out right now. If any of you guys can catch OMG Network whilst it's under $5, let's say like $4.50, you can even do this manually if you don't know how to set buy orders. I really can't teach you buy orders here. It's just too much. And sell orders, and I feel like I'd be cheating my paid clients. But yeah, if you guys can Google how to set buy orders, or if you just want to buy manually, if you buy OMG Network, this is not financial advice, but for under $4.50, you're basically guaranteed a 30% flip right there. Like, that's literally let me make this very easy. You can buy £100 worth of OMG Network if you can catch it on under $4.50, and then wait till it's $6 and increase your lot size by 33%. That's flipping £100 into 133 in a day, which is pretty good. Like, people are really sleeping on these happy small time profits. I'm a big fan of happy small profits. Take your wins, guys. Take your wins. Okay, last but not least, we've got the last swing trade, which is buying 10 Chainlink at $22 each. Let's see the price of Chainlink right now. Okay, 1 second. So the price of Chainlink right now is $25. Ooh, this is a great swing trade. $19 to $25 in one day. That's great. That's great. So I purchased 10 Chainlink at around $22. It's easily achievable right now, especially with the low being $19.44, high $25. Given that I maybe should have set, ooh, this is a big dip. This is a lovely dip. We love this dip. Look at this. This is great. Isn't this great? So I purchased, again, 10 Chainlink at $22, and I just set a sell order to sell 5 of them at $50. So as we can see, look at the YTD. It did actually peak at 50. That's where it is. There we go. On May the 7th. When I have no price prediction of when it will hit 50 again, but I'm pretty sure, I'm very confident, and I'm sure the whole crypto community is confident that Chainlink will go to $50, $75, $100 and beyond. So this is not financial advice, but in my opinion, guaranteed swing trade. I'll essentially profit around $40 because these 10 Chainlink cost me $220 minus, let me just do some quick math. So $220, and then I'll set 5 of them at sell 5 of them at $50. So I'll be making around $35 profit, and most importantly, profit in 5 whole Chainlinks. I feel like these are 3 really good swing trades that are still very valid right now. I don't think anybody should just go and copy them, but I feel like the principle is quite easy to understand. But yeah, that's basically my talk on swing trading. Jeez, how do you feel?
That was, bro. people got what you just said, they're nice right now. They're nice. But again, trading comes with risk. And again, mitigate your risk and like I would highly say start with a minimal amount first. Don't just start going all buck and crazy and going, oh well, I've got 50 grand, so I'm gonna go and swing trade on 2 grand. Don't do that.
Yeah, you should literally have, like I said, have a lot size. Now, I recommend everybody has anything from like 100 to 200 pounds swing trading, 100 to 200 pound lot size starting off. Like I said, I personally do 500. Mr. Harding has been pushing me to up that to 1,000. The only reason why I haven't upped it to 1,000 is I'll be honest, I'm suffering a new thing that I feel like a lot of us are suffering, and that's just like constantly being cash broke and having all the wealth and the assets.
Yeah.
So it's actually like literally, guys, the only broke you guys should ever feel is cash broke, asset rich. Like moving forward, everybody in this room should be growing their asset wealth all the time. But yeah, any questions with regards to swing trading?
Let's go.
Or was that pretty clear?
I think that was dope, bro. I think that's one of them ones where we're gonna have to chop it up and put it into a little mini video because that one was too dope. Also put if people are looking for a way of making some free money to actually start swing trading with, here's some referral links. Use all those referral links, you'll get free money, I'll get free money, and then just start using it. Makes sense. You get £10 free Bitcoin through Coinbase. You get, I think it's 10 from Binance, 10 from Revolut, 10 from Luno, 25 from crypto.com, around 5 to 10 on Swissborg, 5 to 10 on Freetrade as well. So that's literally at least 50 quid there that you could then just start swing trading with straight away. But yeah, let's go to do a Q&A. Let's roll through all the newbies. Newbies, we're going to come to you, ask you anything that you learned in today's episode, anything you value from, anything that you, any feedback whatsoever, or anything you want to know more on. So we'll go to Mac Muffin. Mac Muffin, you've been unmuted.
Can you hear me now?
Yep, can hear you.
Oh, hello. Can you repeat the question? I was just looking at my Binance history.
Oh, this is Aaron. You're not a newbie.
No, I'm not a newbie.
Oh, you're not answering anything then. You're not a newbie. You can go away.
I thought you were just answering questions. Sorry.
No, you're not a newbie, so you don't get priority.
I know.
I know. Let's go to Blanca. Blanca, any questions, any feedback, anything that you learned today, anything that you got any queries on?
No, it's enough information for me actually.
Oh, brilliant. What would you say was your highlight? What did you learn today?
About the dip.
Oh, okay. Brilliant.
Yeah, and also about the fake pages that tells you, yeah, you can do this, and then they like how do you say that word now? Oh, I can't find the words right now.
It's no worries. We know what you mean.
Yeah, because I had a lot of doubt in it because you get a lot of pages now that says, yeah, invest here. Like my neighbor self has a page, he started investing in it, and I'm like, okay, wait a minute, why are you gonna invest in this if it's telling you so many easy things and it doesn't make sense? So that was a highlight for me right now.
Brilliant. Thank you very much for attending. Please take a screenshot of this chat, tag a friend in, and we'd love to see you back next week with a friend. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Go to
Other newbie is AJ. We've had before. Lucas. I'm guessing that's big Lucas from Birmingham. And then N Smith. I think that's my boy Niger. Hi there, Niger. You there? What's good? You've been unmuted. Any feedback? Anything you learned today? Anything you want us to quickly? Any cryptos you want us to check out? Any questions? No, he's a bit busy. I know he's with his kids. Next, we'll go to, technically, is Papa Fadlan, Papa Effendi, is he a newbie? Or is
Yeah, he's a noob. He's a noob.
Okay, we'll class him as a newbie. Papa Effendi, how you doing, bro? Thank you for coming to the class today. Any feedback, anything you learned today, anything you want us to check out? You've been unmuted. Nope, I think he's left his computer as well. Okay, anyone else new? Michael Mora, I think you're new. Does your mic unmute?
Yo,
How you doing, Michael? Thanks for attending. Any feedback, anything you learned, anything you want us to check out, any advice, any questions on anything?
so I think it's the third time I'm joining the Zoom call, and as always, there's a lot of information in it.
Michael, I realize which Michael this is. Yeah, you're not new.
But actually, I have a question about the swing trading again.
Okay.
As I did often before, and I thought that swing trading is something you should do like on a daily basis, sometimes.
No.
And so the example Fatman told us about with the $100 into $130 takes about a day. I actually tried to do it myself, and I set the buy order on, I think, $4.75 and the sell order on $7.50. And right now I'm waiting for my profits, because if it's gonna work, I'm gonna try to do it like every day with the same coin. So hopefully it works. And I want to build my portfolio through swing trading, so to say.
No, I definitely don't think you should. It would be you could swing trade every day, but you'd have to buy at the super dip and then set the sell order at, say, like 10% profit.
Yeah, right now. So I bought the OTK token, or I have the buy order, and I'm waiting for the sell order to kick in. And if it kicked in, I've set another buy order for.
Is that you set a buy order to buy OMG network?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And you set the buy order at what? $4.75?
Yes.
And
the sell order
wait. Has the $4.75 executed?
Not yet.
Okay, when did you set it?
I think about this noon, like 6 hours ago.
Oh, okay, about 6 hours ago. Okay, like, you do know you can't set the sell order until the buy order's been executed, right? You can't set a sell order if the assets are already in your portfolio.
Okay, so I have some altcoins in this coin, but I didn't know that I have to have the full buy order set in for the sell order.
Yeah, the buy order has to execute first, and then the sell order. Let me tell you guys. When I do swing trading, I almost never set buy orders. I almost always buy at the market price and set the sell order. I would rather buy at the market price, but buy in a dip. And the way I do that is I set notifications on my phone.
Okay. I'll check it out. So hopefully it works.
Yeah, the reason why is because if I set a buy order, I have to manually set a sell order, and I might be too busy to set that sell order manually. So I'd rather buy at the market price and then set the sell order and then forget about it.
Okay, got it.
That's game right there.
Better to set notification when swing trading. Better to set notifications and manually buying at the market price and setting a sell order straight away than setting buy orders. I almost never set buy orders for swing trades. I set alerts to buy the dip manually.
You see that right there? That is the difference between what we do and what most people do. Most people, they'll be on a course or something and someone will tell them, oh yeah, this is what you need to do to get a result or whatever. And they won't tell them the little finite detail that actually makes the difference.
Mm-hmm. That finite difference makes the difference, because I used to set buy orders. I'd buy them and then get busy and then not set the sell orders, and I'm like, oh shit, now I'm just
mad. Okay, so last newbie, everyone else has been on the call before. We've got Remotely Black, aka I can't see what the rest of it says, but either you've been unmuted. Is your mic working?
Here's my friend.
We did have Regal Limited as well. I wanted to say hello to them, but I think we lost them. Remotely Black, you've been unmuted. Nope, nothing there. Okay, cool. Let's wrap that one up there because I am knackered. We've just given out crazy amounts of value. Anyone that's got any questions, just drop a message on the WhatsApp or in the... Peace out, guys. See you in a bit.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah, see you next week. Thanks.
Next week. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.